Welcome to Database Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will create the spreadsheet-like view using text table in Tableau. So let us suppose we have a business scenario. You need to make a table that show the average sales for each product in your company 3 departments. The table should cover 4 sales region. This will help the people to see which region has highest average sales for each product in each category and subcategory. So let us see this business scenario using Tableau. Let's go to Tableau. Here is the starting page of Tableau. Before going forward, I request you viewer to please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up if you find this video helpful. For this business scenario, I am using here sample superstore dataset which already saved in Tableau. So let's click on this dataset. This dataset easily find in Google, in Kaggle website also. Okay, and you can do practice. So let's click on this location and drag this region to column self. We need here region, and also go to here product hierarchy and drag this category to row self, and also drag this subtotal after category to row self and sales to mark. Okay, and this is the text view or spreadsheet like view using category, subcategory and region in column and category, subcategory in row. And by default it's take some aggregation. So first do here row grand totals, again go to here analysis tab and click on this column grand total, again go to here analysis tab and click on this total and add here subtotal. Okay, we need to make here average, so click on this drop down. You can click here this drop down and click on average. So it's make average and expand this. Okay, so this is the average subtotal and this is the average row total and this is the average column total. So you can see here the technology in south region has highest average sales. So let's format some. Click on this and format and put here average levels. You can see here all changes, and again click on this and click format, type here column total average, again click on this and go to here row total average. Okay, so format this using, and you can see here the spreadsheet like view using Tableau in sales and category and subcategory region. Okay, so that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Please stay connected. I will bring or I will create more video on Tableau, so please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.